The advice from your embassy.
So you go and talk to the embassy. You tell them now that the Nigerians here don't want to come to the embassy.
So Kuya, the Nigerian embassy doesn't want us to meet them.
Yes, that is.
So the Nigerian embassy has denied us. Kuya.
Yeah.
Okay.
Your embassy. Okay. Your own embassy denied you.
You call the embassy.
You call the embassy.
You call the embassy.
Yeah,
They don't. Yes.
What's your name? So you are telling us. You are telling us that the Nigerian embassy have denied its citizens, right?
Yes.
No, video him.
Video you, sir.
Video both of us. He is telling us we are cadets, sponsored by the Nigerian NIMASA, and now they are telling us that the Nigerian embassy has denied us in a foreign land. NIMASA is not replying us. We are the embassy. Now the security is stopping us. You can see the security guys have blocked us. You can see our colleagues. We are all here. They have stopped us from going to the embassy to complain our problems and our needs at the embassy. So this is good.
We are here.
What do you want to do?
Our embassy. The embassy has them to let us in.
We are here today for a simple demonstration. We are going to our own embassy, and now our embassy have instructed the security to stop us here. That we are not allowed to go to our own embassy when we have a challenge. Now the Philippine security is holding us to go to our own embassy, Nigerian embassy, because it is our embassy that have given them the right and have the instruction that we should not be allowed. How can I not be allowed to go to my embassy when I have a challenge? And I want to use this medium to pour out the challenge we are facing here. 10 years ago, we were sent to the Philippines to study marine engineering and marine transportation under a NIMASA NSDP scholarship. 10 years ago, and this is a scholarship that was supposed to last for 4 years. 3 years in school, 1 year in the ship, then I come back to write my exam and finish it. But this has stayed long for 10 good years. I have wasted my life, my 10 years of my life, and many of my colleagues also in the same program. Now finally, we are here for the last lap that we get our license and go back to Nigeria. But yet,